Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni. Sakawula, the entertainment blogger, is not resting. He's giving us isgaxa after isgaxa, iwishi-wish. Well, he started off by revealing the dirty secrets of Durban girls. Little did we know he meant the Shozis. Started off by saying, Durban girlies will also tell you about the use of Umuthi in order to secure upper echelon men. Sithelo and Z know this well. Gossip girl. Then after he revealed shocking files, honey, he then tweeted, so much is happening at the Shozi house. Sithelo Shozi, who's herself with Makosine's father and still get left. Sithelo goes on to predate Mpisane, gives birth to 2 of his children, then he later denies. Sithelo is embroiled in an unending scandal with the Mpisanes. He went on and said, Sithelo's sister Z Shozi secretly gets married. Z's husband cheats on her to cake. Z files for divorce. Z gets a new apartment with Sithelo after Sithelo was kicked out of the Mpisane apartment and Z had to move out cause her marriage failed. Other trips also agree with Musa in terms of the Umuthi allegations. One trip said, allegedly they use Umuthi for amadoda. That's the word on the street in Durban. And apparently there's a divorce party that they had for Sithelo's sister Z. Sithelo was seen holding a cake written divorced. Musa captioned the image, Sithelo Shozi's sister Z Shozi celebrates her divorce. It's really wild out there. So now people are celebrating divorce. Z-levels, babe. I wonder who's feeding Musa the hot tea. It seems like the drama between Sithelo and the Mpisanes is not ending at all. After Mpisane, his son Andile Mpisane posted a video of little Coco, Sithelo wasn't impressed at all for them to have a nerve to celebrate the child that Andile is demanding for DNA test. Sithelo took it to her Insta stories and exposed the Mpisanes and wrote, as far as I'm concerned, my daughter does not have a father or an extended family. Until proven otherwise, I'm purely dedicating this day to her and thanking God for blessing and entrusting me with her. We've been through an awful lot this past year, and little kindness will go a long way right now. Please refrain from finding any sensationalism from anything around this. What do you think about this whole drama between Sithelo and the Mpisanes and the allegations of them using Umuthi? Is it really true, guys? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.